गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज क्लास। सो आज हम अपनी क्लास में स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 11th का फिजिक्स चैप्टर 2, दैट इज यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स। सो व्हाट इज यूनिट? Basically, unit is a reference to measure physical quantities. So, unit is a reference to measure physical quantities. मेजर मीन्स अगर हमें अपनी किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को मेजर करना है, देन वी यूज सम रेफरेंसेस एंड दैट कैन बी लेंथ, फॉर लेंथ दैट कैन बी मीटर, फॉर वेट दैट कैन बी kg. So these are the units: kg, meter, seconds. For time, so these are the units. Now what is physical quantity? Physical quantity that can be measured. For example, quantities that can be measured. For example, length, weight, time, temperature, etc. So अगर हमको अपना सपोज 2 मीटर क्लॉथ परचेज करना है, देन वी हैव सम मेजरमेंट फॉर दैट एंड दैट इज मीटर स्केल. सो फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ वी यूज मीटर स्केल. सिमिलरली फॉर मेजरिंग वेट वी यूज किलोग्राम, kg, and for time we use seconds. So these are our physical quantities. One more thing that you should know: non-physical quantities. Non-physical quantities that can't be measured. Quantities that can't be measured, जिनको हम measure नहीं कर सकते. For example, happiness. So क्या हम किसी भी पर्सन की हैप्पीनेस को मेजर कर सकते हैं? इज देयर एनी यूनिट फॉर मेजरिंग हैप्पीनेस ऑफ द पर्सन? नो, देयर इज नॉट. सैडनेस, fear, etc. So these are the non-physical quantities: happiness, sadness, fear, etc. Now one important point is we have number of quantities greater than number of units. Means we have more quantities and lesser number of units. For example, quantity is work, another quantity that is energy, and for both quantities we have same unit of measurement, that is joule. Similarly, we have another units, we have another quantities that are having same units. So we can say we have lesser number of units comparatively to quantities, physical quantities. Now next, types of units. So basically we have two types of units. base units and derived units. So what are base units? Base units, we have meter second, meter for length, second for time, Kelvin for temperature. And derived units, for example, derived units को हम लोग और भी क्या बोल सकते हैं? derived units को बोल सकते हैं combination of units, combination of base units. And base units are our fundamental units. Fundamental units. Okay, so these are our fundamental units and derived units that we can derive from our base units. For example, area. What is the unit of area? Area unit is meter square. Length into breadth, meter square. So, or we can say we derive this unit from base unit meter. If we multiply meter into meter, we get the unit for area. Similarly, next volume, meter cube. Next, suppose speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance upon time. So the unit will be, distance is length, length is meter upon time, time is second. So again, meter per second is the unit for speed, and this is the combination of two fundamental units, that are meter and second. That's why जो जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी बोला था कि we have lesser number of units than physical quantities. Here again, area, speed, these are quantities, physical quantities, and we have meter square, meter per second, these are our units. Now our next topic is SI system. So first, what is the formula of SI system? SI stands for System International. So SI system, this system globally accepted. This SI system globally accepted system for base units. Okay, so this system is globally accepted. Globally accepted means, suppose 1 meter scale is, means 1 meter scale का जो आपको मेजरमेंट है वो हर जगह सेम है, चाहे वो इंडिया हो या आउट ऑफ इंडिया, आप किसी भी कंट्री में जाएंगे तो 1 मीटर स्केल इज सेम. सिमिलरली 1 kg, अगर सपोज आप कहीं पर भी जा रहे हैं, आपको 5 kg राइस लेना है, तो वो इंडिया हो या आउट ऑफ इंडिया, आपको 5 kg अमाउंट इज सेम एवरीवेयर. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेड सिस्टम फॉर बेस यूनिट्स. सो इन SI system we have total 7 base units. So what are these? What are these 7 base units? So base quantity, its name and its symbol. The first base unit is our length. Its name is meter and its symbol is small m. Okay. Now next is mass. Its name is kilogram and its symbol is kg. Okay. Now our next third base quantity is time. Name is second and its symbol is S. Next, electric current. Its name is ampere and its symbol is capital A. Next is thermodynamic temperature. Okay, its name is Kelvin and its symbol is K. Now next is amount of substance. Its name is mole and symbol is MOL, mole. Now the last one is luminous intensity. Its name is candela and its symbol is Cd. So students, these are our 7 basic units that is defined in SI system: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Okay, now next topic is measurement of length. So, how we measure our length? In day-to-day life, we use meter scale. Now, suppose मेरे को 2 मीटर क्लॉथ मेज़र करना है तो वी यूज़ मीटर स्केल. सिमिलरली इन कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्डिंग्स में जहाँ पे हमें बड़ी बड़ी हाइट की बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं उनके लिए भी वी यूज़ स्केल. सो व्हाट इज़ द रेंज ऑफ मीटर स्केल? रेंज इज़ 10 की पावर -3 to 10 की पावर 2 मीटर. Okay. Now, if we want to measure the distance between our earth to moon, then for very long distances, like distance between earth and moon. So for such long distances we can't use meter scale. For that we have method called parallax method. Okay. Similarly, for very short distances, like distance between atoms in molecule, so we use tunnel microscopy. So in our syllabus there is parallax method defined. So let's discuss parallax method. So this parallax method, इस मेथड को हम एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से क्लियर होगा. पैरेलैक्स मेथड. Okay, now suppose this is our earth and this is moon. So we have to find the distance between earth and moon. Now first we take two different positions on earth from where we view the moon. So from A and from B. Okay. So this is the distance, capital D. Distance between earth and moon. Now the distance between these two different positions on earth from where we view the moon, this is called the bases. And here I represent this distance AB from letter B. Now this is the angle theta. Theta is the angle made by these two different positions A and B on moon, and this theta angle is called as parallax angle. Okay. So AB is our basis. What is basis? Distance between two different positions on earth from where we view the moon. Small b. Now small b is very much less than capital D. Obvious सी बात है, small b हमारा बहुत छोटा होगा capital D से. So theta, now first, now take moon as a center, D as a radius. तो हमने क्या किया, मून को सेंटर मानकर डी रेडियस का एक सर्कल बनाया जो कि ए और बी पॉइंट से होकर निकलेगा. सो दिस इज अवर सर्कल, बिग सर्कल. नाउ टेक वन केस, सपोज दिस इज सर्कल, दिस इज इट्स सेंटर and this is our arc. So this arc, in our case this is our base is B, this is G radius, this is D radius, and this is the angle. So this arc B subtend an angle theta on the center O with radius D. So from here the formula theta is equals to B by D, arc upon radius. ये सबको पता है. सो अब इस चीज़ को हम अपने पैरेलैक्स मेथड में यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, तो थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू बी अपॉन में कैपिटल डी, सॉरी, okay. Now take, suppose numerical, the distance between point A and B is given as 1.276 into 10 की power 7 meter. This is the distance between point A and B. Theta is given as 1 degree 54 minute. And we have to find distance capital D. Okay, so now apply this formula. Theta is, or D is equals to small b upon theta. What is the small b? Small b is the AB, 1.276 into 10 की power 7 meter upon theta. Theta is given as 1 degree and 54 minutes. First of all we have to convert this 1 degree 54 minute into radians. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपने 1 डिग्री 54 मिनट्स को किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, रेडियंस में. तो रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए As we know 60 minute is equals to 1 degree और 1 degree equals to 60 minute. So first of all हम क्या करेंगे, अपने 54 minutes को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. So 54 minutes is equals to 1/60 into 54. तो यहाँ से कैंसिल आउट होके क्या मिलेगा हमको 0.9. So 54 minutes equals to 0.9 degree. So we can write 1 degree 54 minute is equals to 1.9 degrees. Now we have to convert this degree into radians. So as we know 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. So 1 degree is equals to 2 pi by 360, comes out to be pi by 180 radian. Now 1.9 degree. So we have to pi by 180 into 1.9, and this value comes out to be 0.0331 radians. Now put this value into this formula. Capital D is equals to 1.276 into 10 की power 7 divided by this value 0.0331 radians. So after solving this we get 38.54 into 10 की power 7 meter. So this is the answer. D is equals to this. So this is the distance between our earth and moon. Now next topic is range of length. Means रेंज ऑफ लेंथ मीन्स कितनी छोटे से छोटी लेंथ से लेकर कितनी बड़ी से बड़ी लेंथ को हम मेज़र अभी तक कर सकते हैं, उसकी क्या यूनिट्स हैं. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था फॉर वेरी शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस वी यूज टनल माइक्रोस्कोपी. मीन्स एटम्स के केस में जहाँ पे कि हमें बहुत छोटी छोटी डिस्टेंसेस मिलती हैं तो वी यूज द यूनिट दैट इज 1 फर्मी. 1 Fermi is equals to 10 की power minus 15 meter. Now you can guess 10 की power minus 15 meter is very such short distance. And 1 Armstrong, ये भी बहुत छोटे distances के लिए हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. 1 Armstrong that is 10 की power minus 10 meter. Okay. Similarly, for very long distances, atoms for very short distances. And for very long distances. So for very long distances we use parallax method. For example, distance between earth and moon. So we have astronomical unit AU, astronomical unit, that is AU. So what is AU? 1 AU is equals to distance between earth and moon. Sorry, earth and sun, not moon, earth and sun. And 1 AU is equals to 1.496 into 10 की power 11 meter. So this is the distance between earth and sun and the unit is 1 AU. Now next is light year. LIGHT, light year. LY. इसको हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? LY. So what is light year? Distance traversed by light in 1 year. Distance travels by light in 1 year is called 1 light year. In 1 year. In 1 year. Okay. So 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 की power 15 meter. So this is light year. Now next is, so you may note down, now next is measurement of mass. So what is the SI unit for mass is, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, SI unit of mass is kg. So what is the range of mass for very heavy objects? Heavy objects, we use gravitational method. And very light objects we use mass spectrography. And for very light objects we use mass spectrography. Okay, so what is the range of mass? (10 to the power minus 30 kg to 10 to the power 55 kg. 10 to the power minus 30 kg मास किसका होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का. और 10 to the power 55 kg मास किसका होगा? हमारे यूनिवर्स का. So very light object is electron and very heavy is universe. So 10 to the power minus 30 kg to 10 to the power 55 kg. Now the next is measurement of time. We have done measurement of length, then measurement of mass, now measurement of time. So what is the SI unit for time? Second. SI unit of time is second. So 1 second is taken as the time needed for 9192,631,770 vibrations of cesium-133 atom. So what is this? हमने क्या देखा, जो हमारे पास एक सीजियम एटम का पेंडुलम है वो इतने दिस अमाउंट ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस, नंबर ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस 91926317770 वाइब. Now next is measurement of time. So what is the SI unit of time? Second. Very easy. So 1 second is taken as the time needed for one 9192,631,770 vibrations of cesium-133. So what is this? हमने क्या देखा? सीजियम एटम का एक पेंडुलम है, सीजियम-133 एटम का एक पेंडुलम है जो 9192631770 वाइब्रेशंस करने में जितना टाइम ले रहा है दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 सेकेंड. सो दिस हाउ वी डिफाइन 1 सेकेंड. तो 1 सेकेंड क्या है? सीजियम एटम इतने वाइब्रेशंस करने में जितना टाइम लेता है दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 सेकेंड. So this is all for today's class. In next lecture I will discuss the topic error analysis. This is important for numerical, important topic. इस टॉपिक में से क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी इस टॉपिक में से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो दिस एरर एनालिसिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. So in next lecture we will see error analysis. Keep practicing till then. Bye bye.